we're going to have a little chat about all things knife related this morning. It's quite tarnished, okay, and if you don't oil it, it's strong as a full tank. But that said, the only reason that I've ever seen the inside of a £10 knife. Other alternatives, we could have a flat grind. Now with this, we haven't got much material behind the edge. It's still easy to sharpen, but we're going to be wearing away on the entire side of the blade. Now, in terms of sharpness, if we're wanting to carve wood, we should really be looking to be able to draw the knife edge with no effort, and it should drop through paper. A relatively immobile, and its body weight. I'm just leaning, I'm actually bending it with a good firm tap.